For our last artboard, we're going to create a composition with both our bacon and our egg. And before we do that, we should create a new layer for artboard 2. And let's grab our layers that go with that. We could rename this bacon and then just drag those into artboard 2. All right, so that we could lock that if we needed to. But we don't, right now, let's keep these unlocked because we want to copy our objects onto this third artboard. So I'm going to start with the egg. Let me group that. Command C, Shift Command V, pasting in place. Drag that egg over onto this third artboard. I'll resize that. And then for the bacon, Command C, Shift Command V, drag that bacon over, and we can start positioning this. So one thing that we want to be aware of if we're going to be, when we're creating multiple objects and we're putting them in a composition or we're going to show them as a set, is we want to see that the light source is coming from the same direction. So the way this bacon, where the shadow falls, it's falling on the bottom, which means the light source is coming from the upper left, where on the egg, the light source is coming from the bottom because the shadow is on the top. So we want to be really careful with that. We want shadows and highlights coming from the same direction. So in order to fix this, what I'm going to do is just, I'm going to rotate this egg so that the direction of the shadow matches the direction of the shadow on the bacon. So there's a light source. I'm just going to size and position these so that this looks like a nice balanced composition, and that the bacon and eggs look sized relatively proportional to each other as they would be in real life. Okay, so that's your egg, bacon, and eggs.